Life can be so much easier at the touch of a button. Wouldn't it be great if cleaning between your teeth was just as easy? Introducing the new and improved Philips Sonicare Airfloss. Simply fill your Airfloss with water or mouthwash, and with just one touch, the new Auto Burst feature will send out a gentle yet effective burst every second, helping you clean between your teeth quickly and easily, including the hardest to reach places at the back of your mouth. Its unique air and microdroplet technology uses high-speed bursts of air and water droplets to force plaque and bacteria out, removing up to 5 times more plaque between teeth than manual brushing alone, which means air flossing at least once a day can improve your gum health in 2 weeks while protecting your teeth from cavities. Philips Sonicare Airfloss, the one-touch clean between your teeth in just 30 seconds.